How concentrated is the injection molding machine market? And what does that mean for your competitive strategy? Haitian Plastics leads the market with 13% share, while ENGEL Machinery ranks second with 12%, followed by Husky Technologies at 5%. Rounding out the top 5 are Yizumi Holdings with 3% and Sumitomo Heavy Industries with 2%, both recognized for precision engineering and expanding global reach. Collectively, the top 5 players account for approximately 40% of the global market, indicating a moderately fragmented market. While leading companies influence technology and innovation, nearly 60% of the market remains distributed among regional and niche manufacturers. This signals continued opportunities for differentiation, partnership, and expansion through specialized products, automation, and geographic growth rather than pure market consolidation. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.